Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. So ngicela bafethu ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Is making sure but into ebaluleke kakhulu ukusubscribe bafethu, is making sure ukuthi le page leli liyakhula yabo. So ngifuna ukukhuluma nje ngesizini entsha lena ezoqala. Obvious Orlando Pirates neKaizer Chiefs ba linked to ama player amaningi or already basayina ama player amaningi yabo. But mawubheke Orlando Pirates kuthiwa basayine ubani uKwayiba lo Chippa United namanye ama player from abo Baroka. Orlando Pirates the season ke or le season nje ezoqala ifuna ukucompetela for ileague namanye ama cup competitions akhona, but mawubheka quality lama player lawa abawasayinayo angazi ukuthi nina bafethu nibona kanjani. So I don't think lama player lawa already are linked to Orlando Pirates azokwazi ngempela ukucompete for izinto, azokwazi ukuwinisa Orlando Pirates ileague maybe namanye ama cup yabo. So amanye ama link ke ukuthi uRile Mfukeng angayishiya Orlando Pirates, ubani ozo replace uRile Mfukeng yabo, because uRile Mfukeng is special talent ngempela yabo. And uRile Mfukeng kuphume indaba zakhe kuthiwa ku Orlando Pirates bafuna bademanda i-31 million rands because uRile Mfukeng ufuna amathima ayi-2 wase-Israeli. Asking price e-Orlando Pirates i-31 million. Siyazi ukuthi i-31 million imali encane compared to ama-teams wase-Europe yabo. So into ezokwenzeka laphana, Orlando Pirates izofuna 31 million in cash and izofuna ku-clause, izomake sure ukuthi in future if uRile Mfukeng lama-teams lawa yamthengisa, Orlando Pirates izokwazi ukubenefita for ama-future next time when they buy him from amanye team. Same thing lento yenziwe iKaizer Chiefs kungezana. So iKaizer Chiefs yathengisa ungezana around 12 million yabo, yakhipha i-10%. Yathi next time ungezana mazizomthengisa na for any team so thatha 10%. Usho ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs njengoba ungezana kuthiwa i-value yakhe sey around boma 60 million, if le team yamthengisa iKaizer Chiefs izothola nje i6 million rands, kuzoya ngokuthi bamthengisa ngamalini yabo. Into ke yenzakala laphana ku Orlando Pirates noRile Mfukeng, bangamthengisa ngale mali le 31 million, but true value yakhe akusi 31 million rands, it's more than 31 million rands le mali lena ka Rile Mfukeng, because Orlando Pirates izoba ne clause ethi in the near future kwenzeka nemthengisa sokwazi nathi ukugaina something ngalomfana because ithi some developer yabo izoke ze Orlando Pirates. So Mamelodi Sundowns ke represent ibhola lase South Africa, ibhola lase Africa ku global stage njengoba sibabonile ukuthi team yokuqala lapha nase Africa yokuwina igame. Amanye ama player lapha ku Mamelodi Sundowns esingawabheka, obviously uRibeiro uyumfana obhekwe kakhulu ukuthi angenza izinto zenzeke lapha kubafana base Klerkop. Nabanye ke abantu ku Mamelodi Sundowns ababhekwe kakhulu, uThemba Mshishizwane siyazi ukuthi una 35, but ke immortal lo muntu lo akagugi namanje wenza izinto zenzeke. There's something special about him, mebamba ibhola mejika nalo ucreate something nje. There's a beauty mawubheke uThembazwane. Wonke umuntu mayebukela uThembazwane usenza ibhola sili-enjoy, unokujika ungazi nokuthi ujike kanjani yabo. Football brains noma ke into azalwa nayo uThembazwane yabo. Sifisela inhlanhla lapha kuMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi iqhubeke njalo yenze kahle. I wish ke i-wish yami ukuthi ikwazi ukuwina lese game eyi-1, maybe shaye le team yase Brazil ukuthi ibe na 6 points, ibe guaranteed ama knockout stages lapha yabo. So bona ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns njengoba ine powerful squad kanje already bathi bafuna uku-add ama player amanye futhi yabo. Mawuthatha ukubheka khona ama player lapha ku Mamelodi Sundowns, ama senior players noma ama player bebhekwe kakhulu ukuthi maybe angaya kwamanye ama team, angadlala kwamanye ama team, but Mamelodi Sundowns yawagcina lama player lawo yabo. So sokhuluma ngama players like a few afana no Neo. So Neo mawubheka uMayema, mawubheka akusi player elizoba highly competitive Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi uzoba one of the starters, never ngayenzeka into kanje yabo. So uzoyapi yena, indaba yakhe T1 ngempela ngeplay elifana noNeo yabo, cause mawubheka akusi proven starter but bamselectile for i-team laphana ku-World Cup, but uzostruggle throughout the season bafowethu. Why? Mamelodi Sundowns ine squad esikhulu, ine squad ine quality ngempela. So maybe uNeo yena angahlala kuMamelodi Sundowns but uzohlalelani uku-assista lapho nalapho, mhlawumbe abanye maba injured angene boma second half last 20 minutes if ufuna ukudlala kanjalo, but if ufuna kuba i-starter melaye kumanye ama team anganayo quality efana neMamelodi Sundowns, because Mamelodi Sundowns they are highly competitive, badlala ibhola esezingeni eliphezulu kakhulu and badlala ama competitions amaningi. I-player khona i-player ngifuna ukukhuluma ngalo Mamelodi Sundowns, uMatthews bafowethu yabo. uMatthews ubuya e-Europe, une-experience, bedlala no-Isaka laphana kubo Borussia Dortmund. Sekhulumile ukuthi akayisabi i-Borussia Dortmund njengoba bokuyi-team laphana ayidlalela yabo, from ama-junior ranks wakhona, but akakazanga yena ukuya ku-first team as-solidify as ama-starters noma ke ngaba i-squad player ukuthi angadlala laphana ku-Dortmund yabo. So ukhulumile-ke umfana ukuthi akayisabi i-Dortmund, compete nabo bane quality le right, but ngifuna ukukhuluma ngaye direct umfana ukuthi kuMamelodi Sundowns yena uEdan, because amagame amaningi uyawadlala noma kuthiwa uqala from the bench but ke bayamdlalisa, noma sometimes uyaqala uba starting 11 but mangimbheka ibhola lakhe umfana physique angikho convinced ukuthi angakwazi ukulwa nama defender strong, mncane ngestructure. Ibhola lakhe angiboni into mhlambe angayenza kuMamelodi Sundowns. There's nothing special about him. Yes uyadlala but is not special, yabo. So iMamelodi Sundowns ke angazi ukuthi izo decide in a long run like iyambona umfana as the future ye club, because yena uyadlala bayamnika ama opportunities but akakwazi ukuwathatha, yabo. First leg yelona Champions League labadlala khona neAl lapha neLoftus bamreplace umfana, bamreplace fast first half, yabo, but ke beka more lively yena kuleya game leya. So angazi maybe kuMamelodi Sundowns une contract yokuthi kumele adlale or contract yakhe ime kanjani, but ke asazi ngempela, but mina angimboni as umuntu iMamelodi Sundowns engathembela kuye, because banama quality players amaningi angadlali futhi, yabo, but uMatthews niyawathola ama opportunities. Ingakho ngeke ngabuza same thing lento enzakala kuSalesi, ukuthi uSalesi sometimes uba letha down kuma big games, yabo, akadlali kahle, but ke baloke bayamfaka lapha ku starting 11. I-contract yakhe injani na lama player lawo, ngoba ngiyawazi lama player adlala eEurope, ama agent wabo bayasayinisa ama contract ukuthi kumele ngempela badlale, lese bazosayina i-contract ukuthi lo muntu this season kumele adlale at least 60% of the games, noma umbona ukuthi akaqualify ukudlala but umdlalo wakhe uzodlala. So all in all nje, yeah, ama players isikhathi esiningi sewane power, but Mamelodi Sundowns ine quality good enough ukuthi bangacompetana noma yipi team. Sibonile first game yabo lapha ku-FIFA Club World Cup badlala ne-team yaseLokhunjani yase-South Korea, bayipressa ngempela, bayibonisa ukuthi okay, we are Mamelodi Sundowns, we are the champions of South African football, we lost to ilo Pyramids ku-final, but we can attack if we wanna attack. Mamelodi Sundowns bayifuna uku-attacka ngempela, inga-attacka, but uMiguel Cardoso sometimes uvela focus ku-defense than ku-attack, yabo. Akafuni ukuthi ba-explode, akafuni uku-exploder noma uku-explora laphana i-attack ability eMamelodi Sundowns, because igame angayidominator from start to finish, but yena uzoshaya igoli elilodwa and then sekaba defensive, but ke style sakhe simsebenzele first game, sobona kulama game awu2, because if uzowaluza lama game lawo 2 against iLokhunjani, iDortmund nale team yaseBrazil bazoba knock out, but ke into ayibhekile mhlawumbe ukuthi angathola i-draw, mhlawumbe i-draw engamenzela izinto zibe ngconywana, but ke i-team yaseBrazil he would try and fancy or to get a 3 point or uzodlalela i-draw. But kule game eDortmund angazi ukuthi uzodlala kanjani, yabo, but ke sobona ukuthi uMiguel Cardoso iplan lakhe yini ukuthi uThemba Zwane going forward usazodlala futhi, because mawubheka kuMamelodi Sundowns uThemba Zwane is the most exciting player lapha ku midfielder, udictate izinto, uyacontroller, i-powerhouse, super skillful. Iminyaka isho lutho kuThemba Zwane, because is way better than ama player amaningi lapha kuMamelodi Sundowns. I don't see midfielder highly talented or skilled than uThemba Zwane lapha kuMamelodi Sundowns, but Miguel Cardoso uza nge-style sakhe, so ukuthi ufuna ukudlala kanjani yena, but ngibafisela inhlanhla ku-FIFA Club World Cup. Kaizer Chiefs sobona ukuthi izosayina obani, uzorelease obani, naku-Orlando Pirates ngokunjalo, because siyazi ukuthi ama-player amaningi azohamba kuma-big 3 after nje i-World Cup neMamelodi Sundowns khona bazo-offloadeka. Danko bafowethu.